One might think of the following. The age of dinosaurs on Earth lasted about 200 million years. Think about how long 200 million years is. Modern humans are about 750,000 years old. Look at how far we have come in a much shorter time than dinosaurs. So somewhere in the dinosaur timeline, they must have evolved beyond being just herd animals and carnivores. So how smart are dinosaurs? Evolutionism, if we accept this theory, tells us that dinosaurs should have been pretty darn smart. But were they really? In a study published in 2023 in the Journal of Comparative Neurology and titled Theropod Dinosaurs Had Primate-like Numbers of Telencephalic Neurons, we are shown the possible level of intelligence of dinosaurs. Dinosaurs being gigantic creatures means they had bigger brains. Does that mean they were smarter than humans? That's not quite the case. There's no correlation between brain size or shape and intelligence. If there were, sperm whales would rule the world. They have brains that weigh 44 pounds, about 7 times the size of our own brains. There seems to be a correlation between brain and body and intelligence, called the encephalization ratio. Animals with a higher proportion of their body mass devoted to brains tend to be smarter, but even this measurement has its problems. For example, recent research has shown that bird brains are both denser and more efficient than similarly sized mammalian brains. This means that we can't interpret intelligence based on size alone. The more we learn about the myriad ways in which the brain can be arranged, the more scientists have realized that they need a different way to measure or estimate intelligence, especially in extinct species. Given that theropod dinosaurs are the ancestors of modern birds, it is reasonable to assume, at least to the contrary, that they had similar brain structures. And if T-Rex dinosaurs had denser and more efficient neurons, they would have been considerably more intelligent than previously assumed. Susanna Herculano-Hausel, a neuroanatomist at Vanderbilt University and the author of the aforementioned paper, used comparative anatomy to compare modern birds and reptiles with extinct dinosaurs. They found that some dinosaurs had brain structures similar to birds, while others were closer to reptiles. Then, using data on the neuronal density of birds and reptiles, Herculano-Hausel reconstructed the estimated neuronal density of extinct dinosaurs. According to Herculano-Hausel's findings, T-Rex may have had up to 3.3 billion neurons in its cortex and may have been as intelligent as a modern baboon. The paper also predicts that T-Rex would have taken about 5 years to reach maturity and would have had a lifespan of about 50 years. It may also have been able to use tools, similar to the way some birds and primates use sticks to fish for food. Of course, these are bold claims that would require substantially more evidence because intelligence is more complex than a neural numbers game. It is likely that dinosaurs were, in fact, more intelligent than currently believed, but exactly how much remains an open question.